Hey guys, it's Miley,
And Mandy.
and we just wanted to say thank you for checking in on all our videos.
Yes, thank you so much. You guys rock and we love ya.
Our first video just hit 1 million.
Woohoo!
So, just a few days ago. So, we're really excited. Thank you guys so much.
Mm-hmm.
And what else is going on? We changed
our About Me section a little bit, updated that, so check that out.
Yeah, make sure you guys check out the page. And also, we'd love to hear from you guys and hear who or what you would like to see on our show. We can only run around our room so much, so we're looking for some funny ideas.
So
let us know if you guys want to see anything.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I know you guys know a whole lot about me and Mandy, so we want to thank you guys for keeping up on us and knowing us personally. That's pretty cool. But I don't think that you guys know everything you think you do. Me and Demi and Selena, we're all really great friends. You know, we're all a big family at the Disney Channel. So we definitely weren't being rude or mean to them. We would never want to hurt our friends' feelings, and so we were just joking around, and they're laughing too, so it's okay to laugh.
And we think they're beautiful and so talented.
And so it's only fun to get to mess around if they've actually got some talent to work with. So I thought that was really fun. It gave us a little bit of a challenge and was actually a little bit of a story. So that was fun for us. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. Check out our page.
Yeah.
And
stay tuned for
we love you guys so much, and thanks for all the success. You guys are awesome. We love you.
Bye.
See ya.